I'm Kanika, and that's my mommy. This is a story about how I spent my time. During the dog days of summer. Mornings are really great for me. I get mommy and daddy to throw Squeaky. That's my ball. Mommy named it that because it makes lots of noise.
Pretty puppy. Oh, what a little darling.
Belly rubs are lots of fun. Mommy really likes it, so do I. They say that being bad to the bone isn't a good thing, but I really enjoy it. One of the best parts of the day is going for a walk. Look out, neighborhood, here I come. It's Puppy on a prowl time. Good sniff, good sniff. Come on, let's go. You know, I think I've been here before. Look both ways. Walks aren't the only way to have fun outside. The best ways to run. Aren't I cute? Look out, lizards, here I come. Gonna get you. Missed. That's my ball. It used to be around, but I bit it. At least now it's easier to give it a good shake. Wanna play? Summer days are fun, but they sure do wear you out.